Hi, this is Angie, and I just had to do this video to say thank you to Cinnamon Cooney, the art Sherpa, and she's with the fledgling artist 18 plus group that she has to kind of give people a start, those who are going professional or trying to venture out on their own, or even those who are just trying to transition away from doing tutorials and coming up with their own ideas and their own paintings with her references. So that's the group. And those that have won the 50 paintings in 1 year and have the Art Eagle honor and entered the contest. Okay, that was long. But anyway, we're able to, or we're in the running for a gift, an art basket or art box from Cinnamon Cooney. So I just came back from my annual religious convention, and I'm a little exhausted, even though it's just day one, just because a little bit of traveling and all day, and then eating out afterwards and all day. So it was a pretty full day, and I have 2 more days. But I couldn't wait to say thank you. And the convention's theme is love. So it kind of goes with everything that I received a little love from the art Sherpa, who's so generous. And so I want to share a little love back. And so therefore, I saw this in the driveway not even 10 minutes ago as we were pulling in. And I said, oh! So I had to give you my first reaction. And now this is my reaction. All I did was cut the box so that I can open it. And I didn't open it and I didn't peek. So you're seeing this for the first time. So I hope this video goes well and I have my sound up and I don't have to do it again, because then if I do it again, it will be all fake and I couldn't do it. Okay. So, oh, my name is Angie. I'm sorry, I'm Angie Green. And I am with Angela Green Paint and Chat. And I do tutorials, mostly focusing on those who have chronic pain like fibromyalgia, but everyone is welcome to join me. And I have a Facebook group, Painting with Fibromyalgia and Everything Art. Okay, so I had to tell you who I was too. All right, so now let's get to it. Here is the unboxing. Oh, I didn't even turn the air on yet. I'm sweating to death, but too excited to wait. So here's the unboxing. Let me see. Let me go to the right direction. All right, and I'm going to pull out what I have, okay? So if you received a prize too and you get a notification to watch my Facebook, I hope I'm not ruining it for you. So if you got a prize too, then turn it off now and come back later. Okay. Oh, I love this. Okay, so this is the art, I want to say it right, art bin. Okay, so this is the art bin that everybody's been talking about that's full of goodies. And I know there's something else in the box, but I didn't peek yet. So here's the art bin. Okay, and I am going to, there it is. I'm going to flip it open and see what goodies we have. I know it's kind of dark in here. I didn't wait for that either. Okay, so we're going to flip it open. Let me see if I can get some more light on the subject. Okay. Oh, this smells really good. It must have essential oils on it. So I'll wear this wreath as I continue. Oh, I feel so hippie. This is from back in my day. Okay, oh, and I'm sure this is a Sherpa brush. I've been wanting an art Sherpa brush. Jealous of everybody. Now I have my own fan brush. Yay. Okay, I'll let you know how that goes when I do my landscapes. And this is inside. Oh, that's what I'm smelling. Soap. I love homemade soap. Smell it. Yay. And what else did I get? Oh, this is so sweet. You're such a little hippie. Aww. Oh, more art Sherpa. Oh, nice. Little art Sherpa magnets, I think. Yay. Oh, let me see. And if I got it wrong, I'll figure it out. Oh, nice. Oh, I think that's interchangeable. Oh no, it's like a necklace. And those are the like interchangeable things that could go in there. And here is, where are you? The art Sherpa. Yay. Yes, I'm a Sherpa too. I did my first painting with cinnamon. And I believe these are interchangeable little designs that could go in there. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's cute. Wish you could see it a little closer. I don't have my fingernails aren't the best right now. I didn't do that part. And oh, this is cute. It's like a gourd. Someone's gonna go, no, that's wrong. What kind of artist are you? I see things the way I see things. That's how art is. Thank you so much. That's cute. Very cute. I'm going to be bringing my art Sherpa around with me when I do my paint and sips. Okay. And then here's, oh, awesome. A little mini set. Stencil. I love these. And I've been using the Crayola ones, but oh, I can't wait to get into these. These are awesome. Oh, the Art Sherpa stencil mini set. And then I think it's in another language, like French. Okay. And then here is a quinacridone violet, which, did you know that was my favorite color for painting? I think she knew that. She might have known that. And crayons. Who doesn't like crayons? Oh, some more. Oh, I need this Art Sherpa detail set. Oh, I haven't been signing my name right lately because haven't made it back to get brushes. Oh, yay. Thank you. So that was the art box. And I'm going to tease you guys because I'm going to hurry up and put this back in here. That was nice. I'm going to leave the soap out. Yay. Okay. Very nice. Okay, so that was that. Oh. And then, oh, palette knives. Yay. Love palette knives. Now I can do a painting and use all these brushes and things. Thank you so much. That's so generous. I can't imagine how much you must have gone out of your way to send all of these wonderful things to all these people. Thank you so much. Love you, Cinnamon. You know you're my girl.